In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit page links in Godaddy Website Builder. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Godaddy homepage. It's your hub for all things related to domain management, website hosting, and a myriad of online marketing tools. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create it to proceed. Signing in will allow you access to all the management tools you'll need. After logging in, navigate to the Godaddy home. Think of this as your dashboard where you can manage your products and services with ease. On this homepage, look for the products section, as this is where you'll find all the websites and domains registered under your account. Locate the website you wish to modify, click on it to open the website details. This step is important because here lies the option to edit. You'll find an edit button that's usually located near the top right corner. Click it to proceed to your site editor. Now that you've entered the editing interface of Godaddy, direct your attention to the left-hand menu panel. Here you should see a plus icon, which is your gateway to adding new features or pages to your website. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options, so be sure to select Add Page from the menu. This functionality is crucial to expand your website's content, perhaps by adding new sections for different services, creating a blog, or even setting up a contact page. Once you've added a new page, give it a name that reflects its purpose so visitors can easily navigate through your site. Ensure that your page names are concise and informative. After naming your new page, you can start adding content. Whether it's text, images, or videos, Godaddy's tools are intuitive and designed to make the process as seamless as possible. Make sure you're satisfied with the arrangement and that everything is coherent and visually appealing. If you wish to add links, simply highlight the text you want to turn into a link and click on the link icon in the toolbar. Enter the URL and save your changes. This will help guide your visitors to relevant information or external sites if needed. Remember to save all your changes before exiting the editor to ensure everything is implemented correctly on your live site. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added and edited pages and links on your Godaddy website. Now, your website is better structured to serve your visitors and showcase your content effectively. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.